AeroVironment acquired Pulse Aerospace earlier this year for $25.7 million, and acquired the Vapor helicopter UAS series with it. At last month's commercial UAV Expo, Drone Elite got to see it up close, and talked to AeroVironment about what Vapor can do. AeroVironment has long been an industry leader in the military space, but they are moving into enterprise, and the Vapor series has the potential to benefit many different verticals. Vapor 35 and Vapor 55 are all-electric helicopter UAS. With a high-energy density lithium polymer battery, Vapor offers up to an hour of flight time on a single battery charge. Featuring military-grade components, the autonomous Vapor is designed to be multi-mission capable, and it has a modular payload bay that accommodates a wide variety of integrated sensors and third-party payloads up to 10 pounds for the Vapor 55. For military applications, the benefits are very clear. Change 360 reports that the Vapor series differ primarily from other rotary-winged VTOL on the market in that they both can carry a range of interchangeable payloads for intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance and other missions, and the larger platforms has a payload drop capability for troop and contact resupply, blood drops, and the like. In the enterprise market, the value is also excellent. Payloads include gimbaled EOIR, survey-grade PPK mapping, LiDAR and hyperspectral sensors. Matt Eisenbarger, inside sales manager at AeroVironment, says customers appreciate the flexibility. One of the great things about the Vapor is that it's really customizable. It carries a payload of up to 10 pounds, says Eisenbarger. Being able to carry whatever you want opens up a lot of industries. We have customers using it for GLOWs, linear infrastructure. You could also use this for traffic management, he says. It opens up a lot of opportunities. With Pulse Aerospace, says Eisenbarger, AeroVironment acquired serious talent in the space. They are incredible engineers, says Eisenbarger. They just really understand rotary wing. They also offer modeling software, which is different for rotary wing. In addition to built-in safety, which Eisenbarger says is a big part of the system, it's all about ease of use. He says, "We want it to be easy and approachable to use. This is completely automated flying. With automation, ease of use, and an interchangeable payload system that could potentially carry sensors or small cargo, the enterprise possibilities for the Vapor series are almost endless."
Payload? Oh no, this is an FCA.